Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete apps from the App Store on your iPhone. Okay, let's break down the steps right here. After deleting apps, Apple shows a cloud icon with a down arrow next to the app's name instead of the Get button. For some users, this is not a good thing. First thing you gotta do is open up the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Over here, tap on Apps. On my iPhone screen, you'll see options like My Apps and Jacob under the Family section. That name shows up because my family member is sharing with my Apple ID. When I tap on My Apps, two tabs appear, All and Not on this iPhone. Deleted apps show a cloud with a down arrow icon. Find the app you want to remove, swipe left on it, tap Hide. That's it. The app is no longer visible in your purchase list. Anyways, you gotta know one thing ahead. Apple doesn't allow you to fully delete apps from your App Store account. You can only hide them from the purchase history. So yeah, you can make up your list look clean, but the app still stays linked up with your Apple ID. I would like you to hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips ahead, and drop a comment if you want to ask anything or need a bit more help.